We're at the Godox booth where they just released a massive 4x4 matte light and two other sizes. Let's check them out.
DIY Photography's coverage of NAB 2023 is sponsored by Sennheiser, Zhiyun, Smallrig, and B&H.
I'm here with Kelly from the marketing group from Godox at NAB 2023, where we saw three amazing lighting mats. And Kelly, tell me, what's new about those lighting mats?
Yeah, thanks. These are the new LED mats from our Knowled ecosystem. And we have the three sizes, the 2x2 foot, here, 2x2 foot, the smallest, and the 2x4 feet, and the largest is 4x4 feet. It's 200 watts, 400 watts, and 600 watts. And what the great features about them is that they are very sturdy and robust. We wanted to adapt to hard conditions on set. Also, we make it waterproof, so you can use it outdoor or in rainy days. And
can you put them in water or just for rain?
Yeah, for rain. Yeah. Oh, it's IP64.
Okay.
It's great. Yeah. Also, it's a bicolor and it has a very wide color temperature range, all the way from 2700 to 8500, and also have a very good color quality.
So, what is the CRI on those?
It's above 96. It's very good. And the most important is that they can be folded. Can be folded to a more compact size, so you can fit it in a box case, so ready to go. It's a very lightweight.
So when you say that can be folded, can you change the shape or just fold them in four?
Yeah, fold them in the middle or by several times. But when you use them, you can kind of curve to let it light for a wider angle. It's okay to kindly fold it.
So Kelly, those look amazing. How do you mount them on a stand? I see they're standing here on C-stands.
Yeah, here let's see has this X structure we have, and we have strengthened this structure so you won't cause any trouble when you set up. And also, you can rotate like this. You can rotate freely as you like. Okay.
So when I'm getting one of these, what do I get in the box?
You have the accessory like a soft box and grid. Each one is included in a soft box and grid, and also into the case. And also here is the control box. Yeah, they are all included.
And will this work with the general Godox app?
Yeah. This one is can be controlled by Godox App. Actually, that one is being controlled by my app now.
So DMX, can you do DMX with these?
Yeah, sure. They can do DMX wired, and also you can use the TMO-Link. We have the CRMX transmitter and receiver. You can use them to plug into here, so you can make them available for CRMX control.
So how do you power these? How do you power these mats? Is this a battery or AC? What's the deal?
Yeah, it allows the AC power supply, and also you can use 2V mount battery to power it. It's a conflict.
So is this a 14 volts battery or a 26 volts battery?
Oh, it's either way.
Oh, yeah. Wonderful. Last question is about price and availability. When can I get my hands on these?
Very soon, maybe this month or next month, we will release them. And because now they are brand new items, we haven't got the price. Yeah, but you will see it very soon.
Kylie, thank you very much for showing us the lights. I'm excited about the form factor. They're so thin.
Yeah.
We're going to keep walking the floor here at NAB 2023. Stick around.